Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're checking out this new Joyfair stainless steel 3-quart Tri-Ply Saucepan with a glass lid. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and open the box. See what's in there. Okay, it looks like we got some kind of instructions here. Can you see them? Yep. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get that pot out of there. Okay, that looks pretty good so far. Alright, it comes in this plastic, wrapping. That's not bad. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, it looks like we have a lid right here. Boy, that's a heavy lid too. It's nice. Alright, boy, it's a nice lid. Alright, let's see how it fits. And it's got a little vent hole. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Yep, and the handle's all nice and solid. And I believe the handle's riveted on, yep. It's got rivets on there, can you see them? Yep, inside. Nicely done, and it's heavy duty, I can feel it. The bottom's nice and solid, really solid. Yep. I don't know if you can read that or not, but all of the reflection. Can you see it? Okay. Alright, let's turn it over here and look at it again. Yeah, boy, that looks nice. It's nicely shiny inside and smooth. And it's thick. The edges of the pan or the pot here are nice and thick. Yeah, I think this is going to hold up really well here. Well, I can say that right now with this lid and the little steam vent there, yeah, it would make a nice saucepan. You can cook almost anything in there. Stainless steel. And the thick bottom, that's what it's got definitely a thick bottom there. It's really nicely made, I can't believe it. It's really a good looking product here. We're gonna have to put it through its paces though and see how it does. Yeah, hopefully this pan lasts a long time here, and it does a really good job of cooking, and it doesn't stain, and it really lasts a long time, and the handle doesn't fall off or anything. Yeah, that sounds normal. And we'll just go ahead and make some soup, or we'll stir fry things up in there and make maybe a cream of celery and potato soup or something like that. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay guys, I just thought I'd let you know that we bought a new pan here, and we're going to be testing it out. And if you're in need of one, yeah, just go ahead and check the description. I got the link down there in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one.